Here we have got to arrange 8 people around a rectangular table in which or around which people are to be seated. The table has 3 chairs along each of its longer side and 1 chair along each of its shorter side. So let's draw a diagram that can represent the given situation. Let's start with the statement 2, in which it is given that Aditya is sitting equidistant from Jatin and Prachi. That cannot be fixed at this juncture. Come to statement 4. In statement 4, it is given that persons sitting on the shorter sides are of opposite gender and Aditya is one of them, which means Aditya is sitting one of along one of the shorter side, and the person sitting opposite to her is of opposite gender, that is a male. Now coming to statement 3, in which it is given that Rima is fourth to the right of Rohit, and in statement 5 it is given that love is opposite to Rima. So let's combine these two statements. As we know that Aditi is sitting along one of the shorter sides, which means Rima and Rohit cannot sit along the longer side shorter sides, which means they are sitting along longer sides. Consider the first case in which Rima is there, then the person 4 places right to her will be at this, and the person is Rohit, so Rohit will be at this position. Or second case could be Rima is at this position. In that case Rohit will be at this position, but in this case second condition would not fructify because Aditi is sitting along one of the shorter side. So the person who are equidistant from her will occupy middle positions along the 2 longer sides. And the third possibility is Rima is at this position, then Rohit will be at this one. So draw one more diagram. Rima is at this position. In that case Rohit will be there, and the middle seats are occupied by Jatin and Prachi. Love is sitting opposite to Rima, so this position will be occupied by Love. And 2 persons are left now. These are Swati and Isan, and as per the statement 4, persons sitting along the shorter sides are of opposite gender, which means one of the vacant seat along Sauder side will be occupied by Isan. Which means Swati will sit opposite to Rohit. Now coming to statement first, in which it is given that if Jatin exchanges his seat with Rohit, then he'll have two new neighbors. But if he exchanges his seat with person sitting opposite to Rohit, then he'll have one neighbor. So from here it can be concluded that Jatin is not sitting adjacent to Rohit. Otherwise, after exchanging seat with him, he'll have only one new neighbor. So from here it becomes clear Jatin is sitting between Rima and Swati, and Prachi is sitting between Love and Rohit. So this is the final arrangement. Now let's move to the questions. In first question it is asking who is sitting to the immediate right of Jatin. The person who is sitting immediate right of Jatin could be either Rima or Swati. Therefore option D is the correct answer. In the next question it is asking who is definitely not a neighbor of Rohit. From the option it can be seen that Swati is sitting opposite to Rohit, therefore she cannot be a neighbor of Rohit. Hence option D is the correct answer. In the next question it is asking for how many persons can their neighbors be found out uniquely. From the arrangement that we have, we can see that only for Jatin and Prachi we can find their unique neighbors. And if we talk about Aditi, then it could be either Swati or Rohit or Rima and Love. Similar would be the case for Ehsan. And same thing will go for Rima and Love and Swati and Rohit. So there are only two persons for whom their neighbors can be determined uniquely. Hence option B is the correct answer. In the last question it is given that if everyone moves to the seat just right to him or her, then which of the following pairs of person can sit opposite to each other. From the given arrangement it can be seen that when every person shifts to one place which is right to him or her, in that case Swati and Love will be opposite to each other. Therefore option C is the correct answer.